This is a sponsor product I got to review for you guys. As you guys can see, you can use all these options, the key cards and the key, your finger or the touchpad to use. So very cool device, very easy to install. I was able to install within 5 minutes. So you can see the keyhole is like hidden. So in order to reveal, you just push on the side a little bit. So you can just pry a little bit and then it goes down. In case you want to use your key, you can use, but if you don't, you just close it. You have an application, you download the application, and if you are within the Bluetooth range, you can unlock it from your phone as well. So right now it recognizes my thumb. As you can see, the door is unlocked. So you can see right now it is unlocked, right? So if you just want to lock it, so you press the start button, it will lock. You can see right now it is locked. So in order to open with the key cards, you can just hold it. uh, so if you are holding two, so let's hold just one to not confuse the machine. Sometimes it does do that. You can see it just opens. I think it was just doing because I was holding the other one next to it. So again, it is locked. You can see it just unlocks, very easy operation. So with the fingerprint as well, so let's lock it. So right now it is locked. You can see I'm gonna try. This is doesn't recognize. I didn't assign this. You can see it's not gonna read, but this thumb is, you can see, very easy, very responsive. It just works really nice. So everything you need to install comes with it. Let me show you guys on the back. This is how it looks from the back. It has battery compartment right underneath this here, so you can easily replace. You got four AA battery to install. Over here you have the button. If it's locked, it will unlock. If it's unlocked, it will lock. You can see that's how it works. So you just press this again, it will just go back and unlock. Once you close, you can also use, turn this. It's a little bit because there is mechanical, it feels a little bit difficult, but you can do so. You can see very easy operation. Overall works really well. Everything you need to install comes with it. All you have to do, you just remove your existing keypad, key lock, whatever. You can just take it out and put it back, and within 5 minutes, as I mentioned, I was able to install. Overall performs nice. You can generate one-time passcode. You can set expiration time on the passcode. Let's say you have some guests coming over, you can come around within the Bluetooth range. You can set one-time passcode and set a expiration date for that password, so the person can use until that time finish. So if you are doing Airbnb, maybe that could be useful to just give each customer, client, whoever comes, one-time password and set it until their stay over. So overall, a really nice, cool unit. Looks pretty decent. I hope this was helpful.